Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with strong momentum. I'm Mitchell, and today we're covering Citigroup, ticker C, one of the world's largest diversified financial institutions providing banking, markets, wealth management, and consumer services across more than 160 countries. 2025 has been a breakout year for Citigroup, with shares soaring over 60% year to date, leading diversified banks and outperforming many magnificent seven names. This rally reflects CEO Jane Fraser's multi-year restructuring progress, including divestitures like the recent Banamex stake sale and improved regulatory compliance. Key catalyst: on December 12th, JP Morgan upgraded C to overweight with a $124 price target, citing rising profitability and undervaluation relative to peers. Q3 results showed 9% revenue growth to $22.1 billion, with strength across all segments. With analysts forecasting continued earnings growth into 2026 amid rate cuts and deal activity, C looks positioned for more upside. Is this turnaround set to continue? Share your thoughts below. Buy, hold, or add. Like for more banking stocks insights. Subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below so you can go out there and make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.